We're hunting the wild Kimberly. Where'd she go? Oh, found her. Oh, she found her prey. She speaks English. Who knew? She likes to play with her food before she kills it.
No! Kelly! Help me! No! I don't want to go into the water. Sam! Do something! No!
There's nothing I can do. You're a lost cause.
No!
That's her mating call. The wild Kimberly. This is the first time she has ever been filmed in the wild, in her natural habitat.
I'm a goner.
Her prey is getting away. This has never happened before.
What is getting away?
Her prey.
I'm the prey?
Yes, this is a documentary.
Not today.
Where is it? Oh, there she is. Look at that swimming.